Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'll be showing you this beautiful house in Hang Dong near Chiang Mai Night Safari. The total space is 226 Sq.Wah and 240 square meters, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Come on in. Once you walk in the house, you'll see this dining area, the table with 4 chairs. Right here is the kitchen. Really beautiful wood, black marble. You have the stove, oven, induction fan, fridge, sink, and microwave. Now, let me show you the first bedroom. First bedroom is a double bed. You have 2 beds here and closet. Bathroom. Oh, it is very big. Here's the shower area, toilet, sink, and this house also has this swimming pool, your own swimming pool. How beautiful is that? Now let's go check out other rooms. This is the living area. Big, beautiful, comfy couch. And you have this big door where you can open and go to the swimming pool. Right here is another dining area, bigger one. Beautiful. This is the second bedroom. It is empty now, so you can furnish and decorate it as you wish. Right here is the bathroom. Sink, mirror, and toilet. And it is also connected to the other side. This is the master bedroom. With big bed, big closet, really spacious, 2 closets. And here is the bathroom, 2 separated sinks. And this is the swimming pool. Look how nice it is. You can have a cup of tea and then go down for a swim. And this is the garden outside the house. It is quite spacious. You can have some barbecue here. And we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!